Everybody, this is Ian, author of Lean Media and the founder of 2 e-commerce businesses on Shopify. Today, I'm going to be talking about why you need to be careful with Shopify pop-ups. And if this video helps you, please take a moment to like the video and subscribe to my channel. And disclaimer, you are responsible for following relevant terms, and your experience may be different than what I'm about to show you. So what I'm about to show you is one of my Shopify stores. So I have this Shopify store. Let's actually go to the front page here. So we're a publisher, and we sell certain types of products, including cheat sheets. And you'll notice when I'm kind of going around the website, you can learn about the company, you can see what's in your cart. And actually, once you're ready to go, then you can check out. One thing that I also use is called a pop-up. And you may have seen these before. And actually, here's an example of one that I saw on another website. This was for a lingerie website. I cut out some of the information so you can't really see the brand. But the pop-up is actually not that bad. It's basically kind of promoting the brand and defining what sexy is, unique fabrics. You can learn more about it. You can get a discount. You just have to enter your name and your email address. So this is a pretty common thing. Where this person made a mistake is they had this pop-up firing as soon as you hit the website. So maybe you found it on Google, maybe your friend told you about it, maybe you were using a Facebook advertisement. As soon as you hit the URL, this thing popped up. Actually, there were 2 pop-ups that hit one after the other. So any expectation the person had about what they're going to be looking at or buying, or maybe they're really excited to get a product on it, it's kind of ruined because they're getting this pop-up right in the way. Even if they want to claim a discount, it requires some extra steps there. Maybe they're just like, advertisements, I don't want to deal with that, and they'll just leave right away. So pop-ups, they can be really dangerous if they're not configured properly. What I do for my own website, I do have a pop-up. I'll show it to you right now. It is this one. And this one pops up. And the promise is actually pretty similar to what that other website is offering. You'll get a discount if you sign up to the mailing list. However, this pop-up does not appear unless you are a new customer and you've been on the website for already 30 seconds. So I'm assuming you've already browsed around. Maybe you're using it on a mobile device, so you're kind of looked around, poked around, checked out the products, and you're kind of interested. And then all of a sudden, this thing will pop up. Get 10% off. So that's a lot of people actually do use this. Other people, they just X right out of it. But the important thing is I'm not showing it right away. I'm waiting a little bit. And by the way, on Shopify, of course, there are many apps you can use for pop-ups. I actually do my pop-ups through Klaviyo, which is so it integrates directly with my email campaigns and things like that. But just be really careful the way you set up pop-ups. Try to put a delay on them. Don't be too obnoxious with them. And hopefully this will help your business rather than hindering your business. For more information on how to get the most out of your Shopify store, go to leanmedia.org, click on video or blog. You can see the videos or see my blog posts about it. If you're watching this on YouTube, if you could subscribe and like the video, I'd greatly appreciate that. I love getting comments from all of you. This is Ian signing off. Thank you so much for watching.